Everyone, my name is Benita and welcome to this episode of Learning Excel. In this particular exercise, we're going to look at percentage. So I'm going to show you two ways of how to calculate percentage. In our data, we're looking at statuses and the number of bicycle that has been built per status. So for each status, we want to calculate how many percentage and everything should add up to 100. So the first thing we do, so method 1, I'm gonna click inside the tab equal to, so we trying to calculate how many percent of bicycles have not started the process. So equal to 15 for not started divided by the total, and then you want to times it by 100 to give us a percentage. So here we have 11.9. So what we can do is pull the formula down, but when we do that we have an error. So I'm going to click Ctrl Z. So what I want to do, the reason the error is there is because when we pull the formula, D6 is changing the tab it reads. So what we want to do is put the dollar sign in front of the D and put the dollar sign in front of 6 as well, and then click enter. Pull that down. D6, which is the grand total of all the bicycles being built, is not going to change. So that is still going to read that particular total. So there we have it. We've put that formula down. So if we want to know, like, just do a cross check to make sure everything we've done is accurate, let's total all the percentage. So we're going to do equal to sum and then select all the percentage and then close bracket and enter. So that should give us a value of 100. So that's how that's the first method. Okay, for our second method, we want to, this is a quicker way to do it and you don't need to remember much formulas. So what we want to do, in the first tab for not started, we're going to do equal to 15 divided by the total and enter. And then all you do is come up here and click this formula, and this should give us the same value. I mean, the decimal place is different, so if we want to increase the decimal place, you come up here and click once. So that should give us exactly the same value. And using this method is, it's good if you want that percentage sign, that automatically gives you the percentage sign. So again, we drag it down, but we have the error. So in D6, we put the dollar sign in front of D and the dollar sign in front of 6 as well. And then when we pull that down, it gives us a value for the other status. So just to make sure we've gotten everything right for our second method, I'm gonna select everything and this gives me 100% here, so we know that it's accurate. Thanks for watching. You don't need to subscribe. This is just a fun way of me sharing my knowledge across to the world.